Dear children, today let's start our new chapter, fractions. Have you heard this word fractions? Okay. After this module, you will be able to understand about fractions and fractions on the number line. Okay. Chapter 7, fractions. From 5th class, I hope you studied this from 5th class. Chapter 7, fractions. Here you can see so many fractions. That is 9 by 10, 1 by 2, 2 by 3. So many fractions you can see here. Then, a fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. A part of a whole. Here you can see a fraction 5 by 12. 5 is called the numerator. 5 is numerator of this fraction and 12 is called the denominator of the fraction. 5 is numerator and 12 is denominator. We have start with the one questions. Write the fraction representing the shaded portions. Very simple. You can see the pictures and identify what is the fractions of the concerned picture. Here you can see 10 pictures are there. 10 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 10 pictures are there. Let's discuss the first question. First question is a triangle. Out of this bigger triangle, so many smaller triangles are there. And we can count 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 triangles inside the bigger one. Out of these 4 triangles, only 2 triangles are shaded. Then we have to write the fraction of the first figure like this. 2 by 4. 2 by 4. 2 is the shaded portion. 4 is the total number of triangles. Here total number of triangles are 4. Out of these 4 triangles, 2 are shaded. So 2 by 4 is the fraction of the first figure. Look at the second figure. Total how many small squares? Total 9 squares are there. Out of 9 squares, only 8 squares are shaded. Therefore, the fraction is 8 by 9. 8 by 9, 8 is shaded, 9 is the total number. Next, third figure. Just like a third figure, only 4 balls are shaded. Total there are 8 balls. Therefore, the third answer is 4 by 8. 4 is shaded, 8 is the total number of balls. Fourth figure. Total 4 parts are there. Out of these 4 parts, only 1 part is shaded. So, the fraction is 1 by 4. Then fifth question. 3 parts are only shaded and the total parts are 7. So, the fraction is 3 by 7. 3 by 7. Next, sixth one. Only 3 flowers are shaded. Total 12 flowers are there. Then, the shaded flowers, the fraction of the shaded portion is 3 by 12. Next is seventh question. Same figure, seventh question. Listen. Total 10 pencils are there. 10 pencils are also shaded. That is 10 by 10. 10 by 10 means 1. In 10, how many 10? 1. So, if the numerator and denominators are same number, the value is 1. You remember, if numerator and denominators are same, the value becomes 1. Okay, next 8th question. In this figure, 4 parts are shaded. That is the fraction is 4 by 9. Total 9 parts. Out of this 9, 4 is only shaded. Okay, next ninth question. 4 parts are shaded, total 8 parts are there. So answer is 4 by 8. And the 10th question, only one part is shaded, one part is unshaded. So the answer is 1 by 2. That is, half of the figure is shaded. Simply we can say half of this figure is shaded. That is 1 by 2 means half. Okay. Next question. Color the part according to the given fraction. Color the part. We have to shade the part. The fraction is given. Look at this question. The first question is 1 by 6. We have to shade only one part out of. So total here 6 parts are there. Then out of this 6 part, one part we have to shade. So first question like this. One part is shaded, that is 1 by 6. Here also one part is shaded, total 4. Out of this 4, one part is shaded. Second question's answer is like this. One part is shaded. Third question also one part is shaded. Then fourth question, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means the 3 parts are shaded. Like this, 3 parts are shaded. And the fifth question, 4 by 9. Then 4 parts are shaded. Okay. These are about fractions. Very simply we can write the fractions according to the pictures. Next, today we have to study fractions on a number line. Number line we studied in the chapter integers. We draw number lines, that is positive numbers, negative numbers. Here we need only positive numbers, that is from 0, like this. This is a number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to 11 are marked on this number line. This is one example of number line. We have to, this is whole numbers. We have to mark fractions on this number line. So let's discuss how we mark fractions on the number line. First example, show 2 by 5 on the number line. Very simple. You can listen very carefully, then you can understand it easily. Show 2 by 5 on the number line. 2 by 5 means total 5 parts. Out of these 5 parts, 2 parts are marked. So we draw a number line. Then the speciality is that 5, look at the denominator. Always we listen the denominator. Denominator is 5 here. So we divide this number line into 5 equal parts like this. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts, that is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 5 mark it as 2. First 5, 1. Second 5, 2. Third 5, 3. Just like. So 2 by 5. We have to mark only 2 by 5. This part is 1 by 5. First part is 1 by 5. Second part 2 by 5. Like this. Listen. 1 by 5. 2 by 5. 3 by 5. 4 by 5. Next 5 by 5. 5 by 5 means 1. In 5 how many 5? 1. So here we have to write 1. Next this is 5 by 5. 1 is same as 5 by 5. Next 6 by 5. 7 by 5. 8 by 5. 9 by 5. Next 2, that is 10 by 5. In 10 how many 5? 2. That is 2 here. Have you understood? Like this we have to mark these fractions on the number line. But we need only 2 by 5. Only 2 by 5. So we mark it as 2 by 5 only. Okay, next example. Example 2. Show 5 by 10 on the number line. 5 by 10. So here denominator is 10. So we divide the number line into 10 equal parts like this. Here you can see 0. Then 10th part is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th part take it as 1. The first part is 1 by 10. 2 by 10 like this. 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10. We got 5 by 10. Then continue 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10. Next 10 by 10. Okay, that is 1. We need only 5 by 10. In your question paper or in exam, you mark only 5 by 10. No need of writing all the other fractions. You just count in your mind 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10 and mark on the paper only 5 by 10. Okay, next example you can see that. Example 3, show 4 by 7 on the number line. So we take the denominator 7, we divide the number line into 7 equal parts. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th part take it as 1. We need only 4 by 7. So count 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7. We write only 4 by 7. Just like you mark only the given fraction only. Okay. Next example. Fourth example. Draw number lines and locate points on them. Here you have given 4 fractions. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. One difference is here, that is first fraction is 1 by 2. Here the denominator is 2. All the other denominators are 4. So we change this denominator as 4. We change first denominator as 4. Listen, 1 by 2. For changing the denominator as 4, we multiply the denominator with 2 and numerator with 2 like this. Here you can see denominator into 2, numerator into 2, that is 2 by 4. Yes, the denominator is now 4. So we can write 2 by 4 instead of 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 is same as 2 by 4. 1 by 2 is same as 2 by 4. Next we have to mark 1 by 4, 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2, 2 by 4 same. So 1 by 2 is 2 by 4. Then 3 by 4, 4 by 4. That is 1. 4 by 4 is 1. Okay. Next B question. 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5, 4 by 5. Here no change because all the denominators are same. So we divide the number line into 5 equal parts like this. 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one is take it as 1. Then here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 5 take it as 2. Then listen, 2 by 5. This is 1 by 5. This is 2 by 5. That is 2 by 5. Next 3 by 5. Next 8 by 5. That's still there. Then 4 by 5. After 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Next the blue line is 5 by 5. 5 by 5, that is 1. 5 by 5 is 1. Next one is 6 by 5. Then 7 by 5. Next 8 by 5. That is 8 by 5. Okay. 8 by 5, 9 by 5. Then 10 by 5. 10 by 5 is 2. 5 by 5 is 1. 10 by 5 is 2. That is the method of representing fractions on the number line. So you watch the video again and again, then only you can understand it clearly. Okay children, that's all for today. Then you have one follow-up activity. The activity is, you have given 2 fractions. That is 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. Out of 1 by 2 and 3 by 2, which is greater fraction? That is the question. Which is greater fraction? 1 by 2 or 3 by 2? Okay. Thank you all.